Have you ever wondered why staring at a repetitive, symmetrical pattern instantly calms you down? In a world of digital chaos, our brains are constantly trapped in fight or flight mode. But there is an ancient tool, heavily backed by modern neuroscience, that can reset your nervous system in just a few minutes. The mandala. Most people think meditation means closing your eyes and trying to empty your mind, which is incredibly hard when you are stressed. Staring at a moving mandala is a form of visual meditation. You don't have to do anything. You simply let your gaze rest on the geometry. The mandala acts as a visual anchor. It captures your brain's attention, slowing down the loop of overwhelming thoughts, worries, and self-criticism. Our brains naturally love symmetry because it associates it with order and safety in nature. A landmark study by Curry and Kasser on the psychological effects of mandalas showed that geometric, radial patterns reduce anxiety significantly more than free-form coloring or abstract shapes. When you look at a symmetrical mandala, activity drops in the amygdala, the brain's fear and stress center. Your cortisol levels lower, and your mind finally registers that you are safe. To understand how this works, we have to look at the vagus nerve, the main highway of calm in your body. When you are stressed, your nervous system enters a state of high alert, or fight or flight. Your muscles tighten, your fluid circulation stagnates, and your breathing becomes shallow. But when your eyes track the repeating geometry of a mandala, something beautiful happens. Your brain recognizes the symmetry as safe, which immediately triggers the vagus nerve to slow down your heart rate. Your nervous system shifts out of survival mode and into a peaceful parasympathetic state. When your nervous system shifts into calm, your body naturally releases the physical tension that blocks your fluids, allowing your lymphatic system to flow freely. Watching a glowing mandala on a dark, soothing background, like our deep ocean aesthetics, coaxes the brain out of high-alert beta waves and into alpha and theta waves. These are the exact wave frequencies your brain produces right before you drift off, making it a powerful cure for late-night insomnia. Let's do a quick experiment. Think about how you feel after scrolling through social media for 10 minutes. Your eyes are tired, your mind is racing, and you probably feel a strange, subtle anxiety. Why does that happen? It's because our modern world is full of visual chaos. Every flashing light and sudden movement triggers your brain's survival instinct, forcing it to constantly ask, is there a threat? Do I need to run? But look at this mandala for a moment. Notice how your eyes naturally relax. There is a beautiful, comforting reason for this. A famous psychological study by researchers Curry and Kasser looked into exactly what happens when our brains process these specific shapes. They took a group of highly stressed individuals and split them up. Some were asked to color and stare at chaotic, abstract patterns, while others colored and focused on a symmetrical, circular mandala. The results were incredible. The people looking at the mandala showed a massive, rapid drop in anxiety. The chaotic patterns did nothing, but the mandala acted like a visual reset button. Why? Because science shows that our brains associate radial symmetry, like the petals of a flower, a snowflake, or this bioluminescent seagrass, with safety and life. In nature, symmetry means health. When you look at this shape, your brain's alarm system, the amygdala, finally whispers, "We are safe. You can stop fighting now." Your heart rate slows down, your muscles soften, and your body finally gets the green light to heal itself and drift into sleep. So, the next time you feel overwhelmed or can't sleep, don't force your mind to be quiet. Just give it something peaceful to watch. On this channel, you will find a dedicated sanctuary of visual mandalas, each uniquely crafted to support different areas of your well-being. You will discover specific visual journeys designed for deep relaxation, sharp focus, and somatic healing. Till next time, take care of your health, keep practicing this mindful focus, and give your system the rest it needs tonight. Consistent relaxation is where real healing happens.